everyone. In this video, we will be starting with northeastern part of India, starting with the state of Sikkim. In this state, you have to remember only one national park, that is your Kanchenjunga National Park. If we talk about this particular national park, it has a great variety of forests, starting from the subtropical forest to Arctic or tundra type of forest. With increase in elevation, for example, in valley part you will find subtropical forest, but when we reach the peak, it will be a Arctic or tundra type of forest you can find in this particular park. So because of this great variety of forests, you will find a lot of globally threatened species in this particular national park, including your musk deer, your snow leopards, your red panda and Himalayan tahir. If we talk about this particular area is inhabited by some ethnic groups like Lapcha, Bhutia and Nepalese. So beside that, you find a concept of Bayul in this national park, which means ek छुपा हुआ मंदिर और एक जगह. खासकर it talk about the Tibetan Buddhism. It talks about the Tibetan Buddhism, and Sikkim and nearby countries like Nepal, Bhutan and China are having this kind of concept where these hidden temples are built. If we talk about this particular Kanchenjunga National Park, it is a biosphere reserve too, which has got a World Heritage Site tag in 2016 under the mixed category, and it is the only site in India. It is the only site in India having a mixed heritage tag. If we talk about, there are a lot of glacier in the Kanchenjunga National Park area, nearby area, and Zomu Glacier is one of the famous area. If we talk about Dzonghu Valley, the Dzonghu Valley is very famous for your medicinal herbs or medicinal plants. So this is all about this Kanchenjunga National Park, which you have to learn. And I hope you are enjoying this series. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed.